guys, it's me Amani and welcome to my channel. Today I buy a new parrot. Its name is Leo. Leo, say hi. Leo, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi, say hi. Leo, he's removing his feathers. Leo, say hi to your YouTube. Leo, say hi to your camera. This is his cave. Whole things and food, everything. Our new parrot. But I want to name him Coco, but they said not allowed to change him. Because his real name is Leo. But we told him Louis. Don't remove your feathers. Leo. He is very nervous, a little bit. Leo. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Really? He's the old one. I was having it 2 years. This is a new one. I bought it today and 10 o'clock. This is my 7 fish. This one's 6. Another one is alone. You're hungry? Ooh. Okay. He liked to do everything to see his feathers. When I put him, he liked to eat my clips. He ate my clips, but the other one I move it. I wanted let him see. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe us and say hi to Leo in the description below. Say hi to them. Okay. If you want to read in the description below to read all of those things that I write it. And please message me. My message name Amani Bashir. Okay. And write to them. Write to him hi to speak. He is 8 months. He's small baby, but I buy it today. They told me because he can't speak, but he's shy, a little bit shy. Look, he's hiding himself. Okay, bye guys. See you next week.